Woohoo! Before I started work today, I noticed I got a package from the Tochi. I got a package from the Tochi. That's right. You know why I knew? Look at this. 1923. From Made in... Thank you so much, Tochi. What a fantastic little hat. Thank you so much, Tochi. Those that don't, you know, Jennifer Tochi. She is a Halloween exclusive enthusiast like myself. And tons and tons of Halloween goodies. Let's get right into it. I needed another one of these. The witch did not make it on the trip. And I think the witch was plotting to kill me. Anyways, happy to have another one of these. This is a Jaws pen, which is badass. There's another pen inside here as well, but I can't quite see what that is. Thank you so much, Tochi. If you've not subscribed to Jennifer Tochi, what are you doing? I'll put the link to the channel in the description. She always sends these like, oh, it's a narwhal pen. Hell yeah. Narwhals. Let's see here. We have Halloween stickers. I can decorate my new place with Halloween. These are magnets or are these stickers? Oh, the window decor. Thanks so much, Tochi. Oh, this is beautiful. I know you made this. Thank you so much, Tochi. Look at the detail on that. She put a lot of work into these. Hell yeah. We have some cards from Butte. I always like to learn about Butte. Butte's an interesting town. Look it up sometime. Ooh, it's like a Halloween card from Butte. Historical Butte Trolley Cafe. These are awesome. I'm going to add these to my book that I have for all of my friends from the channel. Thanks so much, Tochi. This means a lot to me that you sent me a package. You didn't have to do this. Woo! It's a little hoot owl. It's a little hoot owl. This is dope. God, Tochi, you went way too far. That is a Chucky crystal ball, snow globe. Hell yeah. Got a clown nose. I can be a clown. Maybe I'll be a clown this year for Halloween, Tochi. Oh man, I love Butte. Oh my God, hell yeah. Butte is known for their St. Patty's Day parties. So happy to have this. Feck off, you feckin' feck. I love it. Hell yeah. More note cards. We have a donut. Dodos. Is that a chupacabra? Love that. Oh, that's that drawing of the Chihuahua. Is that Rocky? Fucking awesome, Tochi. Thank you so much. Got a whole bunch of different little goodies here. One of them I can't show for obvious reasons. Oh my god, this is the one I said I wasn't going to show. Tochi. What are you sending? That is dope. Sticker. I'll add this to my book. I've got a book of stickers as well. What's your favorite scary movie? This made my day. She sent the only pail I needed all the way from Butte to complete my trilogy of boo buckets. Thank you so much, Tochi. I needed this. And then we have a note. This awesome jukebox that plays Jurassic Park music, but I can't do it with one hand. I'm trying. Anyways, it plays the Jurassic Park theme, which is so cool. Let me get a note here. Hobbs, to a great friend, thank you for all the support and adding me to the Boglin Midnight team. Love Tochi and Brian. Enjoy everything. Thank you so much, Jen. That means a lot to me. You're always a part of the team. If you've not subscribed to Tochi, what are you doing? Let's see if we can get this put together. Alright, let's see what we can do here.
What is up, everybody? It is Hobbs back here with you.
Yeah, it's Hobbs Horror, knocking down your door, all about the guts and gore, blood and pus, give him some more. He wants bone and entrails spread across the floor, so if you're looking for that theater macabre, bruh, look no more. Sit back and relax and enjoy some Hobbs Horror.
Thank you for watching Hobbs Horror.
Yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good shit.